Welcome, today I am with AirPods Max and I'll show you how you can check battery level of these headphones. So we can make it very easy way. You have to swipe for the left to open this widget menu. Then you have to scroll down at the bottom, click to edit, and then tap on the plus on the left upper corner. Right now you have to scroll down one more time, then go for the batteries, and here we can find the battery widgets in our device. For example, I would like to attach this one, so we have to click add widget. Right now it's right here on the screen, so when you click and hold it, we can move it to the main screen. Then click down, and as you can see right now this widget appears on our home screen. Of course we can leave it like right here on this place, but I would like to get the preview of the battery level on this screen. And there it is. We get currently 72% of the battery. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.